Hi, I'm Jonah with Vizzetto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to record your presentations using the built-in recording feature in Reactiv SUITE. Okay, now that you have Reactiv SUITE open, you can begin your presentation in any three of the apps as they all come included with that built-in recording feature. So let's go ahead and select Reactiv Stage. Let's open up a workspace. Once in the workspace, you can select the red screen record button at the bottom right side of the screen. You're also able to key in the shortcut Control-R, which will bring up the screen record window, and you can have the option to capture just the Reactiv SUITE window. You can capture your entire desktop as well. You can optimize this for email, which will lower the FPS and lower the resolution of the video, focus on making the attachment as small as possible. You can also optimize for social media, which will increase the FPS, increase the resolution, and will prioritize quality over the file size. And you can also do a custom optimization, which you can configure in the settings. I'm also able to include my mouse pointer. If I select this here, you can see my cursor will come up on the screen and my audience will be able to see where I'm pointing. Now when it comes to microphone settings, if I select this button here, the screen record settings will pop up and I'm able to choose which microphone I want to use. Okay, and I'm also able to select which folder that I want my screen recordings to save to, and I can do that across Reactiv Stage, Pitch, and Scribble. And you can see here there's also custom settings. Now I can adjust my FPS and I can increase and decrease my quality, my resolution to my liking. Okay, once you've configured your settings, you can begin recording by hitting the check mark, and you can see in the top left there's a countdown. Okay, we've started recording. I'm able to draw, and I'm going to stop this recording, which will actually save to my workspace, and I can bring it up, which you can see here. Not only does Reactiv SUITE allow you to present live, but with this powerful recording tool, you're able to take high quality, professional looking videos, which you can then send off to your audience.